had the most enlightening year. I usually don't reflect on my years, but this year has been sure to be kind of special. 2019 has been a year of firsts, crazy experiences, deep thoughts. I don't know where to start, so maybe it's best to start from the beginning. At the beginning of 2019, I started the year by going back to school. I've gone to the University of Washington for a few years now, and I still can't get enough of how beautiful the campus is. Every once in a while, I'll spend some weekends hiking, and for one of those weekends, I was asked to go to the Snoqualmie Pass with a couple of friends. We went towards the end of winter and saw a blanket of snow in the mountains.
You used to be like no other. Where did you go? Hold up. Oceans that end in the falling.
Once the school year was over, I was off to Europe. I went to the Netherlands, Belgium, France, and Italy. Unfortunately, I didn't take as much footage as I'd hoped. I was only there for one summer, so I'd hoped to check a lot off my list. However, as much time as I like seeing places like the Eiffel Tower, being on study abroad and staying in hostels, I met people from all sorts of places. What I loved the most was the time I spent with other people. And of course, I especially loved seeing people smile. Hey, so what's up, guys? Alright, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? I'm pretty good. The weather is good. I don't have anything to say.
I got it.
Giving the presentation, she was like, I haven't been to the library except for you.
That was accurate. Today's gonna be
Wait.
I'll move my mouth and you put a word in.
Yeah.
Then on my way back from Europe, I made a pit stop to the East Coast. I visited some friends from high school and saw my brother in New York. I flew into Boston and made my way south to New Haven and then New York City. I spent a week in total on that side of the country. I flew back to Seattle and then I was back in school a week later. This summer was kind of the first summer that I kind of broke out of my routine of either going to school or going to work every day. I was in a foreign place without a specific agenda or any idea of what I wanted to do. But that uncertainty and not knowing where I am or who I'm with or who I'm going to meet allowed me to grow. "2019 has shown me what the world can give. I look forward to what happens next." Thank you for listening, guys. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to comment.